Hello everyone, welcome to Farhaan's kitchen, and today I am back with another interesting recipe. So today we are going to be making the Kashmiri Kahwa tea. So the Kashmiri Kahwa is an exotic mix of whole spices, Kashmiri green tea leaves, nuts and saffron. So let's get refreshed with a hot cup of kahwa. So now we shall start by boiling 3 cups of water. So once the water has boiled, we will be adding a few ingredients to the boiled water. So we will be adding 2 cinnamon bark, 5 to 6 cardamom, a few strands of saffron. First let's add the cardamom to our boiled water. Once we are done with the cardamom, we will be adding the cinnamon bark. Similarly, let's drop in the saffron strands which we have in our ingredient plate. Once we have added all the ingredients, let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Now let's turn off the flame. Next we will be adding 1 teaspoon of green tea. Once the green tea is added, let's allow it to brew for 2 to 3 minutes. And it's done. Finally our Kashmiri Kahwa is ready. Now let's serve our Kashmiri Kahwa tea. So we will be adding the finely chopped almonds into the cups which we will be using to serve our kahwa. Once we have put in the almonds, we will be straining and pouring our Kashmiri Kahwa into the cups. Wow, our tea is looking very beautiful. So now let's garnish our kahwa tea with some honey to give some sweet flavor. So we will be pouring a few drops of honey into the cups. Now we need to stir our kahwa. So we can just sprinkle some saffron for garnishing our kahwa tea. Now all these steps are done, and I recommend serving the kahwa hot such that we can relish its flavors. Kashmiri Kahwa tea also has many health benefits, so I hope this recipe was easy and useful for you. So do visit my YouTube channel #FarhaanCreativity, and thank you for watching this recipe. Goodbye.